Let's try something different. These are super good. Pretty much been on the road since 5 a.m. It is now 8:46 p.m. and that's my bedtime. I'm feeling exhausted. So I just pulled over next to this random trailhead here in Washington, really close to my destination, which is a hiking trail I want to do in Mount Rainier, but I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna try to catch some Z's and then wake up early to hit this hike. So see you guys in the morning. Breakfast burritos. Can't wait to eat delicious breakfast burrito. What do you mean there's no tapatio? No. No. So it's 5 a.m. now. I'm excited to hit this trail. It's called the Sunrise Loop Trail. It's about a 6-mile hike. Should be good. Let's check it out. You gotta be shitting me, man. Oh, this entrance is closed. All that driving just to get here and for it to be closed. Oh man. That's the only reason I came this way and added like another 8 hours to my drive, was to come to this hike. Well, you know what? We'll make the best of it. We'll see what the heck is here, and maybe we can do a trail or something. There's a trail just right over here. Nobody is here. It's completely empty, so this should be fun. Let's hit it. Jumping that, summon that beat. Close it up. Get ready to rock. Oh, it's a little cold, so we'll just get moving right away. I hear a creek to the side over here, and I'm just like surrounded by beautiful forest. This is sick. Dude, sick. Apparently this trail is just up. So we're like 3 miles into our ascent here. You know, I'm 34 now and I feel great, but this is not gonna last, man. So I'm really gonna soak it in. Not saying that like when you're 50 you can't like keep pushing it, but I feel like this is prime time right here. I feel stronger than I've ever felt in my whole life, and I just know that it's not gonna last forever. So I'm really gonna soak it in. I'm gonna push it hard to the top and just enjoy this run, man. It's beautiful. Everything is wet. All the plants are soaked. My feet are soaked. This is like 4 something miles in. It's all straight up. So cool. Oh, it's so good. That sun feels good. This is like amazing. I just came across like a bunch of elk in this field. There's a big male over there. Oh my God. I think I scared him off. Damn, look at those horns. Holy crap. Dude. There they go. Dang, the whole herd. Wow. That's incredible. That's crazy. It's so quiet and peaceful. There are some mosquitoes though. Wow. I haven't seen anybody. The first signs of life were first one squirrel and then those elk or deer. I think they're elk. Wow. Whoa. Do you want to see something cool? Damn. Oh, mosquitoes everywhere. Oh my God, there are mosquitoes. Ah, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Holy crap. Oh man. There's an intense amount of mosquitoes. Whew. Well, I wasn't prepared to do a 10-mile run, but I think we'll survive. Sometimes life takes an unexpected turn of events, right? But I'm not mad about how this day turned out. We got to make it back down 5 miles, so, and then head back to California for work. 6 miles now. Let's do it. Sick. So we're 2 miles from the bottom, but this waterfall's wild. Oh, big log, big log. Oh, it doesn't get better than this. Oh, trail. Oh. Okay. Highway. Oh, this water is so fresh. Oh man, this is amazing. I wasn't expecting 10 miles, but here we are. What a nice turn of events, huh? Stay tuned because we got breakfast burritos next. I can't freaking wait. Made it home. Allie's looking like a baddie right now. What do you guys think? If Allie's a baddie, leave a comment. Shh. Damn, look at her. Oh yeah, a little dirt. Never hurt. I think I need a protein shake. Oh boy, time to stretch. I sweated like crazy. That's better. I do need a better spot to put my dirty clothes though. I'm open to any suggestions. So before we do burritos, we gotta refuel. Some water, yogurt, protein. That'll hold me over until it's time to eat a big meal. No! What? Avocado, tortillas, eggs, sausages. Yummy. All right. Let's do the thing. Can you guys see Mount Rainier in the background? Nice. Dope. Snap that into place. So these little guys right here are really good, super good. And they're cooked already, so you don't have to worry about cooking them all the way. I could probably take down 2 of those right now. Easy. Very elegant process here, huh? This thing's cool. It's like collapsible. Just cut up a couple tomatoes. Get those ready. Do a little cilantro with it. It's quite windy out. Yummy yum. Let's see how this thing looks. Oh, that looks perfect. Oh yeah, delicious, delicious, delicious. Let's check on this thing. Woo, smoking. Trying to get the angles right. Try not to burn my food. The struggle. Woo! That's hot. That's too hot. Too hot. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take down 5 eggs here. Easy. Yum, yum, yum. Salt and pepper. Plate. Tortilla. Eggs and meat. Tomatoes. And cilantro. Cheese and avocado. I'm not a true Mexican. I don't know how to fold a burrito properly. Ooh. I would say it looks pretty good myself. It's time to eat. Let's give this bad boy a try here. Let's see. Oh. That's heavenly. I know it's falling apart like crazy. Whatever. I was so hungry after that run. 2,000 miles, or 2,000 calories. Dude, he just took off like nothing. That was cool. All right, let's take another bite. Look at that. That looks good. Okay. Oh, wow. I earned this one for sure. Feeling good. How did I forget the tapatio on my last burrito? Oh, shame.